Welcome. In front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to check the graphics card on this device. So to do this, press and hold the taskbar, then select not this one but the Task Manager option. Then in Task Manager, go to the Processes section, which is the second one, and here you'll be able to check your GPU tab, and in GPU tab you'll be able to see the name of your integrated graphics card and also the specifications of it below. And the other way to check your graphics card is to go into the settings, then select the system, scroll down to the About section, and here you'll also be able to check what graphics card you have and the amount of video memory in it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.